My name is Zhen Li, and my student number is 10099910029. In our two data report, we have read many factors that affect the change of the population data and the future population forecast. Among them, we have some similarity and some differences. We have paid attention to the impact of the immigration and the government on the population of our two different cities. In the report, Beijing and Shanghai are the top cities in China, where many migrants work and live. And there is a very important factor affecting the change of the population size. At the same time, we have paid attention to the impact of the government on the change of the urban population size. But the differences is that I've paid attention to the impact of the policy issued by the government on the urban population, while she wrote about the impact of the education on the urban population size. But generally speaking, it is the impact of the government on the urban population size. In addition, we also mentioned the impact of the environment factor on urban population. And of course, there are many differences in our report, such as the birth rate and death rate, the aging of people that are wrote in my report. And she wrote like the urban security and in her report. How these factors have the impact on the urban population?
Hi, my name is Jiayi Tang and my student ID is 10099866534. For me and my partner's forecast, we chose a slightly different approach in demonstrating how our factors relate and impact our models. My partner used an exponential function, whereas I used specific type of functions for each of my factors. According to my partner's forecast, in 2050, the population of Beijing will be around 42 million. And when it comes to 2100, the population will skyrocket to 132 million. However, according to a graph of the real data of Beijing's population, around the year 2015 to 2023, the population remains steady with very small fluctuations. Therefore, the model might be a little bit overestimating the overall population of Beijing. On the other hand, my model specifies a function for each of the factors. However, when comparing my predictions of Shanghai's population, there's always a small difference between the predicted population with the real world ones. The first reason is that the factors in my models are very limited. Therefore, without considering those factors, the model is not precise enough to model a population that is well fit with the real population. The second reason is that most of the factors have a decreasing effect. For migration, the upward and downward fluctuating value minimize its impact on the population. As a result, the population predicted in my model is growing, but at a smaller rate than the real world ones.